My cleaning card is, well, bleach has a way, Clorox, grapefruit. But Kyo's perfume is, well, the best way to conjure the scent for you is to refer to it as a medieval floor wash. How were houses cleaned in this unknowable time? Perhaps not at all. But let's just fantasize about this pre-industrial time. Huh? The herbal as a way to clean. Heated steam stirred with branches, strapped with bundles of sage, thyme, rosemary, patchouli, a hodgepodge cauldron of natural energies macerated. And then, well, by the door, the town witches shroud the house with jarrow, gorse, twigs of birch, all fiendish spirits cast out.
Well, that's why you're the cleaner.
I need to tell you, despite what I'm wearing, I'm not the cleaner.
It's a fashion thing.
I grew up cleaning though. My father ran an empire of roadway motels.
Have you thought more about what clubs you'd like to join?